Hello crafty friends, this is Mary. You're watching Cardz TV, and in this bright purple envelope I've got the new Cardz TV August card kit. I'm going to open it up and show you everything you get inside this kit, and this one's called Let's Celebrate. In the Cardz TV August card kit, you're going to get some cardstock, which is black, white, pink, blue, and it's really pretty green. And this is 8.5 by 11. Next you get 12 6x6 double-sided papers, and I love these colors and they coordinate with the cardstock. This is one side, and here is the other side. This cute little set of Miss Cake cuttables comes in the kit. We've got some birthday cakes, some streamers, some stars and confetti, a candle, a gift, and a balloon. You'll get a pack of rainbow sequins, an ink pad, and this will come in different colors. This set has the pretty turquoise blue. You're going to get 2 A2 size white card bases and envelopes. You'll get this Echo Park design embossing folder, and this one's called Mini Triangles. You'll get 2 sheets of these cute little stickers, and these can be used for any kind of party, but of course you've got birthday cakes and happy birthday, surprise, you've got little gifts and balloons and things. And last but not least, you'll get 2 sets of Cardz TV stamps. This is bigger everyday sayings. We've got happy birthday, get well soon, thinking of you, thank you, so sorry for your loss, congratulations, best wishes, hello, thanks, and celebrate. And this one's called Basic Borders, and we've got hearts, a stitched line, a zigzag line, stars, and snowflakes. So that one will be lots of fun. And this is a $29 value, all on its own, guys. So the kit is $29.95, which includes your shipping and handling. So if you're interested in this kit, guys, you need to hop on over to cardztvstamps.blogspot.com, because these are very limited and it's first come, first serve. And I'd hate to see you miss out if you're interested in this kit. So thanks so much for coming by and watching, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.